Good afternoon. How is your afternoon? Hope all is well. I'll throw some water in there because I'm going to put on the saltfish on the fire. The saltfish, this. I'll cook some ackee and saltfish with white rice. White rice. For who wants saltfish. So for who don't want, I'll be cooking some brown stew chicken and probably a piece of cabbage as well. So this is the saltfish. Good afternoon, guys. So and I want to saltfish in a two little piece. So put it in the water. Then I'm gonna put it on the fire. So I have a lot of things to get done right about now. Okay. At the same time, in between time. Yep. I'm gonna put on cocoa on that. Turn on the stove, let it cook. The saltfish. Need a cover on that. Hi, good afternoon. How are you? How is your afternoon? Thank you so much for joining. Oh, that look like KK, so may I catch a glimpse of the picture that is there. How is that day going so far? Hope all is well. Not much long coming, but I just say let me go live to see what's going on. Let me see if I see the glasses. Where the glasses they go? Oh, you're definitely waiting. Oh, Lord help me. Okay. Hi, Abby. KK, hi, how are you? Hi, Abby. What's for lunch? What for lunch? Hey, me just eating a while ago. Silent Watchers, how are you? It was like some leftovers from last night. I went on the road and I was so hungry coming back. So as me reach home, so I ate it up some white rice with cabbage and corned beef mixed up together. Yeah? And I just dashed the pot on the fire. And same as it come off hot, I saw me eat it. Yeah. Tastes good, girl. Yeah. Just saying hi. Okay. I know you're at work. Hi, busy. Yeah, man, me know say you're busy, KK. I know you're at work. Silent Watchers, big up yourself. Me there do some dishes and I go cook. So me have like 40 something and 40 something battery on this phone. So me say let me use it because the iPhone it keep on a overheat. Me can't bother with that. By the time me did there use it panel live, it a overheat. Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining. Best bro. Thank you for joining. Who are you? I am A and I. How are you? This is A and I Island Adventure, Jamaica. How are you doing? Thank you for joining. KK say that must be nice. Yeah, man. Hot, hot, hot. See where some eat it. Hot. Yeah, yeah. And I had like some pink. Where go? Where go? Pink country lemon. That's something there. And me did mix some it and have it in the fridge. So me just drink. Girl, me not lie, when you dep on the road and you know eat nothing, you know drink nothing, when you come home, oh gosh, you that drink and eat what you not see. Mm-hmm. Same so. Silent waters, big up yourself. Oh, okay. What you doing? I am going to cook some food. Ackee and saltfish with white rice, guys. Me dying to get some yam and them something there. Me dying to get some yam. I want to go a country one of the day. See if me get no yam and all these things down there. Because me I tell you, rice, rice, rice. Rice and more rice and more rice. Rice all the time. Like all the time. You know, that's why I miss country so. Me not lie, I miss country. Yeah. Which country? Clarendon. Clarendon, when you go Frankfield. Sometimes we drive Mandeville side and come Spaldings, go Grantham or Union, them place there. Yeah. What's time right now there? It is now about soon 2 o'clock, soon 2 p.m. here in Jamaica. Thank you for joining. Best bro say, can you cook rice and chicken? That's what I'm gonna cook as well. I'm gonna cook rice and chicken as well, but I have a cabbage, so I might put some cabbage with it. Look at that, and I like cabbage. But you know, we make it kind of different instead of just the brown stew chicken alone. I'm gonna put a little bit of that in it. Yeah, but all the rice thing. You know? That's why the town people them love country. So anytime they hear so them are go to country, you know them good. Cause what? When they go down there, them can get you know, and everywhere the star mash up in a peeps. When you look and see some nice yam where sell yam and them something there. Yeah. Some places have some nice yam and so. All cabbage and them something there. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so hi, how are you? Thank you for joining. No, no, here. Oh, it's 12:19 a.m. midnight. Okay, where you are? Wow, try to get here. Hi, okay, okay. to get famous with your foods. Oh, well, I think what I might do, is maybe I might try out something like cooking, some bad cooking. Yeah.
Okay.
So probably that will what? Probably that will wait name then. Me not give me a oh they me a pizza. Eh?
It feels good.
How they make something you not eat? Like seriously? By feeling it alone, me love me know say it not alright. Huh? How what kind of chips this girl? Like seriously? How cook them at school?
Chef.
You ever eat it? I guess maybe when it just fried, alright. No.
Um, yes, but it came out kind of cold.
No man,
It
nobody
came out
buy
kind
no
of
more
cold
of
because
that. Buy just chicken alone. Tell them say if you sell you just chicken alone. No buy none of them
I'm
fries.
gonna find some pizza.
So you no buy rice and peas. Speaking about bad cooking, huh? I am from India. Oh, thank you so much for joining my live. Yeah, I am from Senegal. Oh, thank you so much for joining. The Q&A is here. Dream vacation spot. Whoa! Oh my God! Dream vacation spot. Oh my God! Speaking about dream vacation spot, I would see myself there right now. Wow! So let me tell you guys now. Let me tell you my dream vacation spot. Then you guys can also say in the comment section. It would be Vegas, but if it should be in Jamaica, it would be Ibera Star. Yeah, it would be Ibera Star. Yeah, I'm telling you. Yeah, how many like you have in your oh how many like you have in your well you'd have to check. You'd have to check. Um, thank you to Queen. You're welcome. You are welcome. Yeah, you're welcome. So, in the meantime, don't put too much. Oh, I put on it. Don't put too much salt on it. Put down the salt, but I'm going. No put too much salt. You put ketchup already. You must eat too much salt, you know.
I didn't put any in it.
So what did you put on it?
Ketchup on it.
But you had the salt bottle. You don't know how to eat them this so. That not ready. At all, at all, at all, at all. Meeting I got keep, so I will have to talk about that. Go on. Then the fries, them at all. Yeah. Hi, who is that? Is that Juba? Oh my God. Juba is here. Juba is in the building. How are you, Juba? Happy to see you. Oh my God. Guys, Juba is here. Thank you so much for joining, Juba. I was talking about you all along. You see me come over 1 and 2 times over your side. I look for you now. I look for you, Juba. Yeah. I say, Jesus, I don't really see Juba go live at all. Yeah. Cause me know say normally Juba would reach over my side too, you know. You know? Me know say you'd reach over my side. Me even said for one of the live. I went some night ago. Me say Jesus and peace. Thank you so much, Juba. How are you? I am back. Thank you for being back, bro. Juba, how are you? How are you doing? Hello, Juba. Yes. Everybody glad to see you, Juba. Juba, me happy to see you. Seriously. I am okay so far. By the grace, I am. By the grace of God. Yeah, God is good all the time. Me even watch the video, Juba. Me watch the video. I think it was on when name again? It was on a other channel. When they came and visit you. I watched that one. And I watched some of your videos as well. Because I was looking for you. Me I say, oh, me not see Juba go live. But you know, me understand. Me know why you wasn't going live. Because, you know, I don't know St. Elizabeth side of there. Mm. Wow, me glad to see you though. Me not lie. Me glad me go live because a while ago me did you know me I say why you know me I wear my mind fi go live. Yeah. And then my mind just say go live man, go live. Yeah. So thank you so much guys. Me happy for soon, you know. But me I tell you how long we not see Juba, me have to say, me have to thank God me see him now cause what? A good while me not see Juba. Yeah. Like on the channel or on his channel. Long time I not see him. Guys, I'm telling you, God is good all the time. Guys, I cook, me have a cook, you know. Me there here, I go on. Do look at 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Right here, so. So what we have Aki. Hey, only what them good. Aki in the bag, they may come right off of the tree. You understand? So, I cook, me have a cook them, you know. So I go just take them out of the bag and me put the saltfish. Me put the saltfish in the pot already to go and cook. Meanwhile, me arrange out to plate. You know it go already with it, you know. This is our regular life and routine. May I get on. Put on the glasses and can't find it. You know where glasses there? Right there so. Right there so. Guys, me have to use the glasses to see. Yes, so Neil said auntie. Okay. Juba said okay is the internet issue. That's why. Yeah man, me know you are not seeing me. Juba said what I hope for one is doing to win great. Yeah. Yes. Pat's Kitchen, how are you? Hi, host and chat. Like done. Thank you so much, Pat. So, Juba is here, Pat. Juba is here. KK is supposed to be here same way, you know, but KK busy. Yeah? So now, I don't know if Pat a boil over yet. Alright. So, Juba art emojis. Juba, now that me see you coming over again. So, Pat's Kitchen say my dream. Oh, vacation spot is Paris. Oh my God. Paris is a nice place too, you know, man. Me I tell you. Girl, that place is too mother want go. Paris nice. When you look and see all the people them just, you know, me like how them just a move. Like if them go out, it's like a different atmosphere. A different atmosphere right there, so. Yeah. Everything just look different. Watch out, my papa boil over. The saltfish a boil over and the something. Yes. So Pat's Kitchen laughing emojis, Juba, art emojis, Pat's Kitchen, art emojis, Juba, art emojis, holding head. Chubu said the pot a boil over. Alright, so what I would do, I know what I'm gonna do. Since you said something about the cooking and stuff like that. So I have an idea when it comes on to that one. I have an idea when it comes on to that one as well, the cooking thing that you was talking about. Yeah? Mm-hmm. So, girl, yes. Clothes, perfume, hand, bags, shoes. Oh gosh, man. The good things, them. Hey! The good things, may I tell you, boy, one day, sometimes some of us we only dream, but one day God gonna make we dream come true eventually. You know, every day now go stay so. Yeah, as you say in the comment section, every day now go stay so. You understand? Every day now go stay so, my love. Hello, Simone TV. How are you? Thank you for joining. Sweetheart, how are you? See Juba dear. We heartbeat is back. Juba. Thank you so much, Simone. Hello, beautiful. Thank you so much, Simone. You're also beautiful inside and out. Yeah? So, guys, me just come back, what me there here, I cook up some food. As me reach the saltfish a bubble already. So me I go pick the ackee them now. Thank you guys so much for joining. Me I go pick the ackee and put them in the pot with the saltfish. Yes. And guys, look out for my next skit, my next granny skit on Friday night. Yes. Friday evening to be exact. Yeah. Because you know why? I changed it from, I was gonna do it on the live, but then I said, why not do it as a video and post it that way that, persons can see it. Everybody can see it. Whether it's a 7 minute long video or maybe 5 to 15, 20 minutes long video. It depends on how long the skit might go on. So yeah. And as the person was just saying a while ago, give me a next idea again. Saying something about getting famous by cooking. Sometimes when a person is cooking, it doesn't have to be about presentation all the time, and it doesn't have to be about preparing the food good and nice and stuff like that. It can be about a bad food preparation, a food preparation will go wrong. Kawa. Sometimes we can't cook. Sometimes we can't cook. So eventually the food can't cook and it burn up. Or the food can cook and it not taste good. It's short of something. Them little thing there. So eventually, while some persons are getting all the good getting famous for all their good cooking that they're doing, being a great chef, some persons can be getting famous by being a person who prepares food really badly. You know that? I'm coming to the comment section shortly. So, you have to just be creative. It's all about being creative. Because some persons just like the fun of it. Somebody cooking something and it go wrong. Them laugh and say, Lord, watch ya. She burn up the whole of the food now. Watch ya, what them are going to eat now. Look how everything burn up. Watch ya. And watch ya, them are eat the same way. Watch ya. Yeah. Them look at something there. Make people laugh. Yeah. We want to see people smiling from ear to ear. So, let's get going. Let me read the comment section. Let me see what's going on. I am happy to see you guys. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, so the comment section reach far now. Emojis. Thank you for the emojis, guys. Hi, how are you doing? My glasses kind of blurry though. Is it? I go say man, me can't make out the man at the end. Somebody, Pat's Kitchen saying hi to Juba. I love you so much. Oh my. Who is that saying they love me so much? Wow. Oh. Me need a new glasses. Bob. Bob Sherman. Thank you so much. Let me see from top, guys. Someone was saying hi to Bob Sherman. Yes, and Juba art emojis. Pat's Kitchen emojis. Thank you so much. So maybe that one was for Simone TV. He loves Simone TV. Okay, so Pat's Kitchen saying Juba, did you see my message? Okay, okie dokie. So Pat's Kitchen emojis. What you making? Curry chicken, curry chicken and white rice, or home style chicken? Pat's Kitchen laughing emoji. Pat's Kitchen. Well, I'm doing ackee and saltfish with white rice and brown stew chicken with some cabbage and white rice. Yeah. So Pat's Kitchen. I don't know if it's the same Juba. I the same Juba one. He is what? He is not responding. It's okay. That's nice, my love. Oh, I the same Juba. Pat's Kitchen. Pat's Kitchen and the no sir. Pat's Kitchen say she not sure for the same Juba. For the same Juba. So may I take out the ackee then, guys. I tell them I say if me follow Uno, me not start cook nothing yet, If me follow Uno, me not start cook nothing. Me just read the comment section and not do nothing in here. I'm telling you. So ackee and thing me I look both. This one not good. This one not good. Two look at ackee. Guys, did you know that you can look both ackee and saltfish without putting any powdered seasoning on it? Yeah, you boil the saltfish, boil the ackee, and then you take out the ackee. You pick up the saltfish. You make sure a little salt left in the saltfish, for taste. And you fry up your seasoning with your saltfish, and you put your ackee in there. You don't want no powder seasoning. You only want to say the saltfish no salt. Make it taste of salt. Yeah, you don't want no powder seasoning in it. Seriously. Mm-hmm. Same way so. Yeah. So guys, all of the persons them were shy, you know, just come right out. Yeah, just come right out. Try doing something that you love to do, whether it is singing or maybe it's a comedy skit, anything at all. Once it is in the guidelines of YouTube, right? Yes, just come out and shine. Yeah, come out and shine. Come out and shine, guys. And I am happy to see everyone who came in the chat. And my silent watchers, big up yourself. Alright, so a little bit of up here we get. Oops. And that we get out right. So now, I listen for music, them are turn on not coming. I know what happened to them so. And the music every minute. But I something across. I'm going to read the comment section, guys. So, all me I put, I think me see one a while ago when I pick. All me I put in it are just the ackee or the saltfish and the berry. So this is like one serving for like maybe 2 persons. When I eat ackee, I have to eat enough ackee, but I'm not going to eat no ackee today. I eat ackee yesterday. I had ackee yesterday. So what I'm gonna have today is just make it go down them here and finish doing what I do. You see, I got let me go live. Cause you know, when I miss the 12 o'clock, cause them time them me just a come off of the road. So normally when I miss the 12 o'clock, I normally come and still do my live same way. So I will continue, I will continue. I'm gonna continue. When I am at home though, I'm gonna try and go on at 12. 12 noon. There is the fall. The goat them glad for the ackee so tell. Oh gosh, then just run down, so run down, run down. Alright, so where's the glasses again? Oh my god, my comment section is going this time around. Alright, so Pat's Kitchen say you can cook, talk, just focus. Where did you get ackee? We can't get ackee here. We have ackee same place in a yard here. We have like 2 ackee tree, and we have one right at the fence line we hang over on our side. Yeah. So them here tree up here, them bear right round. Me no know. Up here different from in the country area. Some places where you get like breadfruit probably one time till another time. Up here, so as the breadfruit tree bear off, it get a little time and for breed and then it start bear back again. The ackee tree, the same thing. It same as what it done bear off, it get a little time for breed and then it start bear back again. The mango tree, same thing. Cause if you go some places now, you know, them have mangoes in some places. In some places now you go you get mango. Yeah. Me normally can focus when me are cooking, but the thing is this, only two me have to like stop and read the comment section because I wanna know what's going on. So that is it. Yeah, so all the ackee needs is black pepper. And everybody use black pepper. Me can't tell when last me use black pepper. So my man them they know want eat black pepper. They know I eat black pepper. They say it no good for man. So me no know. A long time in eat black pepper. Long time in eat black pepper, my love. Yeah, yeah. I think I say one thing I noticed with Saint Catherine, a lot of breadfruit trees, ackee trees, and mango trees. That is true. That is true. They have a whole lot of those trees, for real. You are right. You're so right. Them have a lot of them tree there for true. Them have a lot of them tree there. Breadfruit tree, ackee tree, all of them tree there. You see how when mango ready to go beer? Oh gosh, man. I have mango so till. Mango there for stone. You know the little saying go already. Yeah? Mango like, whoa. When you look and see mango, people left from country come with me there to get mango. East Indian, Julie mango, them big table mango, stringy mango, Bombay mango, we have it. Yeah? So people normally come from where Clarendon. Family members and stuff like that. And them carry, anybody come with them. Everybody are going back with them bag a mango. Seriously. Mango always there, enough mango. Hi, my Chinese friend. How are you? Thank you so much for joining. How is your day going? Thank you so much for joining. Hi. How are you? How is your day going? Hope all is well. Thank you for the emojis, laughing emojis. Yeah, man, true. Holy for mango. No, come here and come see your mango there a year time. So my time your mango there, me I tell you say, me make mango juice. Me have a lot of mango juice video when me post on here as well. Guys, mango, one of the time me did have June plum too, but the middle of the June plum tree died. And every time it tries to spring up. The last thing we did on it, Melissa tear off look a limb them. Where did I come to on it the other day? Drop them a ground. So right then now the part where I dead, cause part of it dry now. So me I plan to now me have to make them cut out with the power saw and see if it can spring back. Just cut off the part there and see if it can spring back. Get some lovely June plum off it. All people used to come here and get June plum. Whole heap of June plum. A year time people used to come and get June plum off of the tree. Yeah. I love mango time, man. Me like when the East Indian mango them. Me love when time when it stay there till it's stale, it overripe, you know, like one little black spot that come from it. Then time they sweet, sweet like a sugar till the East Indian. Then mellow them time they, you know. So when you taste it, your taste are like it have a like a acidic taste coming from the mango. It well sweet. That's some me like eat them. I wash all say three of that and sit down and eat it. Make it cool in the fridge. Oh my God. You don't want nothing more. Nope. You don't want nothing more. You don't want nothing more than that. You don't want nothing more than that, oh. Yep. So, let me glasses there again. You know me have to look, you know, because everything can pass me like that. Yeah. So bro say, oh, man, Bob, sir, man, say, oh, love mango. I am a mango person. Me love mango too, especially the East Indian mango. Yeah. Okay. Say, Pat's Kitchen say, what? Okay, Bob. Yes. Pat's Kitchen say, I love June plum. Yeah. The June plum nice. Most of the time, you know what me normally do? Like the green one, once them fit. I pick most like some of the green one and use it with ginger and make juice. Yeah, that nice. When I pick it, me not peel the skin, you know, me just wash it and just use it here. So cut it up right down to the seed part. Put the seed them aside and just blend it in the blender with the ginger. I mean, I tell you, you can smell the green from the skin. Yeah. And it just look green and rich. Nice juice that we drink, man. I'm telling you. Yes. Mm-hmm. That's me. I love those things. Yep. Yeah, man. You know? So, mm-hmm. So our vacation spot. Yeah. Guys, one day, God spare our life. You know? We can go somewhere nice, you know? Go somewhere nice and clean. Somewhere nice. The Iberia Star and all them places there. Mm-hmm. Go the Iberia Star. Go enjoy the festivities. Anything we are going, we're there right there. You know? Mm-hmm. For real, for real. Mm-hmm. Arena Falls? Guys, 1 second. Oh. I had like a sheet on the line and it sounds like rain is coming. Just a minute. Oh, what time today to get rain? You sure about that? We get copyright. Why are you to find that? Come out, out. So we're gonna get some rain. It's coming down. Yep. Okay, guys, we have something to show you again as well. You know, the other day we was doing the different we were talking about edible plants that grow by the roadside, right? Or things that is like good for the body that helps you, like if you have a flu and stuff like that. So we now have the Guinean weed. So that is also good for like flu like symptoms. The Guinean weed, it's very good, guys. Yeah. So this is what it looks like as well. So let's see if we can break piece of this one. You guys see it. The Guinean weed. This is what it looks like. So it have like some bulb or something come right up like this on it. This is how it grows. So that's the Guinean weed. This plant is very good. Back then when in 2020 when that thing was going around, most persons were asking for this bush to make a tea, right? So you know you have the flu and you're coughing, coughing, coughing. This is very good, the Guinean weed. So now we have it and we make it stay there, and if you want to make it dry, you make it dry. And you know you just make a little tea with probably 3 leaves or so. Tastes really good. It not have no funny taste nor nothing. Tastes really, really good, guys. But it doesn't grow everywhere. Some people might have it in their backyard, while it might be somewhere in the bushes and stuff like that. It not grow anywhere. Yeah. Can you go and over? Oh yeah. Oh wow. I have the flu, so I don't feel well. Oh wow. It will pass eventually. My daughter also have the flu. Yeah. Simone TV, I am still here, my love. Thank you so much, Simone. Yeah, it's very good. So, normally the elderly persons would like know what to do when, even the adults have a flu. Them can tell them, say, okay, you can take this and like that. And it works. So, there are a lot of different little things that we normally use for the common cold, if you know what I mean. Yeah, and stuff like that. Yeah. The common cold. It's very good. So when I finish, I know I will just like next. So just ask mommy or daddy to just give you something that will help you. If you're an adult, you can like ask grandma. Evening. Yeah. Really? Oh, I found something to go outside, you know. When me done, cause the rain I go fall now. Yeah, me know me did out there. Yeah, so that is it. So ask mommy or daddy to get you something for that cold. You know? Yeah. Seems like we're gonna get some rain here in St. Catherine. So me happy and salty for cook already. We set on the rice already. So eventually I am going to deal with that as well. The rice pot. And then after that I'm gonna the chicken that they thaw out because when we come back me take it and put it in a water to soak out. Kinda thaw out the ice out of it. So maybe by the time I finish doing my do, if you're ready. Yeah man, it can cook. It will soon can cook. No, me I talk about the something me different. Really? Me say you know enough things. Me say me don't know how we know so much something, you know. Me I feel wonder. Oh, you know, say some don't release it. Tell me. They tell you say they release it? Oh, okay. So you just get it privately to listen to? Oh, well, I don't know if it's okay on my channel. Yeah. I'm not sure if it's okay for you to be. So whenever you're coming around here, you mute your sound on your phone because you always listen music. There's someone sending up some heart emojis for you. Say hi, Simone. Hi, Simone. Yes, so that's my son. Yeah. Yes, Simone, that's my son. Yeah. He's out of school now. He's now an adult. He was chain. Yes, I used to carry go to school. Him and him sister. So now I'm sister alone. You know? In grade 9 now. Yeah. He was the one who was doing the 3 week program with her. Yeah, after them leave high school, art then they went on a work program where they trained them for like 3 weeks and then they placed them in work as well. The work placement for them. So the work program something is for like 6 months. and stuff like that. So you know, sometimes when them start do something, they don't really want to finish. So you have to just listen to what he's saying, because he start but he never want to finish. So he's at home. You know, I prefer him there home with me more than me force him to go or anything happen to him, you know. So I prefer him there home than that. And then me I go say, if me didn't know. Hi Uncle Barry, how are you? Barry walking. Okay, thank you so much for joining, yeah? Someone say wow. Yeah, that's my son. Yeah. He has a speech problem. Yeah. Mm-hmm. That's my son. He's very special. Yeah. Blessings, Uncle Barry. Blessings, host and everyone. Thumbs up. Done. I am doing great. How about yourself? I am feeling excellent and blessed and highly favored, unpicked and chosen by God. Yes, and I know you're all blessed and the same, like I'm saying. Yeah, I'll be coming over as well. Yeah, I'll be coming over. God is good. Yeah, God has been good to all of us, you know. You know, when I look on it and I say, boy, sometimes when you're there, you know, you look and you see, from the year start, a lot of persons that we might know or so, they passed away and we're still here. So we have a lot to give God thanks for. We have a lot to give God thanks for. So that's what I am doing. So I soon wash my rice, put in the pot, guys. And this is my way of cooking now, because what? I tell you, sometimes we are cook and we not have everything to go in the pot, but that now go stop we from eat. Okay? That now go stop we from eat, we still go eat. Yeah? So we cook it same way, or we can cook it without whatever we don't have and make it taste good same way. Don't it? Yeah. So that's what I am going to do today. Yeah. When I am finished doing the live, I know who and who now I will have to go and visit. Like today. Guys, I did a comedy skit the other day, and I'm telling you, some persons are laughing from ear to ear. I'm telling you. So, I'm telling you, at the end of it, there was a minor issue, because I ended up after trying and end it by myself, because my daughter was holding the phone, but she never know when to cut. She never know when to cut. So, me have to try see if I can find the button to end it at the end of it. So, and I look up at the see when me not really say nothing, come here and say, she don't know when. So I say, okay, next time, me I go put her on the alert so that she know when to cut. You know? Yeah. Or if per se, me I go just put down the phone somewhere. No. Somebody have to go cut it for me. Because me not go and get up and figure end it by myself. I want somebody else to hold the phone and then them end it. You know? Them something. Yeah. So, guys, look out for the next part. It's coming up. So every Friday, I'm gonna make you guys laugh. When I say laugh, I mean laugh from ear to ear. Yeah. I did that last week Friday, and I'm gonna do it this week again. So Uncle Barry is saying I am Simone TV blessings family. That's so great to hear. Yeah, it is. Yeah. It's an awesome feeling when you can make persons laugh. You know, sometimes a person might come on and they're not feeling great on that day. And by just seeing something funny that you posted, you know, it makes them laugh, you know. So your channel is supposed to be about making persons laugh. They're supposed to feel at home coming on your channel. You know, the vibe is right and everything, and things are going good. That's all, you know. Mhm. So, me no know, me love. You see, because we grew up with grandparents, I would say, yeah, the elderly. We grew up with the elderly. Not really say my grandparents, but I grew up with elderly person. So eventually, me know how them act, and me know things they would have say and things like that. So yeah, the elderly is a bundle of joy. I would say most of the time they're very nice. Yeah, they're nice people to be around. Yeah, the elderly. Mhm. That's why I say we have to cherish the elderly persons because you know sometimes you will get a dream, you know, and you're dead there and you wonder what that dream you mean. And you just go to your granny or grandpa, great grand or so, grand aunt, and them can tell you the dream, what it means. Yeah. So me not have any elderly where I am, cause my husband grandmother she passed off in 2019, so we don't have any elderly here now. But you know, remember like things like them the way me used to ask question and them used to tell me what it means. So me can know say well then when your dream say green, like a big green pumpkin, one big bunch of green banana or green plantain, that is disappointment. So we know all these things because that's why you see you have to be around the elderly. Because being around the elderly you learn a lot. You know? You want to be wise, right? You want to be wise. You ever hear normally in the movie they always try to spar with the wizard, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Pat's Kitchen emojis. Thank you for the emojis. I am back, Auntie. Thank you for being back, yeah? Thank you so much. I say you want chicken and rice. Auntie's gonna cook chicken and rice, yeah? Chicken and rice it is. Chicken and rice. Yeah. So me soon I want big chicken me get my mother-in-law. So I want big chicken come with me. Yeah. So me a tie it out and I will put piece of it and things. So the ackee and the saltfish. They use the same time. I'm going to check the ackee them if them cook. Yeah. Thank you for the emojis. Emojis. Look at this done. My aki in the pot of boil, guys. I'm not start with him there yet. I'm going to put in the weight him there in the pot. My rice. Alright, I'm show you the aki and the saltfish. A bubble like a trouble in the pot. Hey! A bubble like a trouble, see there? The aki and the saltfish. And the rice not ready yet. So, that I go on pan what I go on. Girl, take time I go on. Now me I show the wall. Yeah. So yes, let's go again. So me I finish up and thing like that. Seems like the flow go around though, cause most of the people may go up on the road they hear them a cough. So it seems like flow go around. Yeah, my battery are dead there now. See the bush over the corner there? Yeah. That is it. Carry a charger for lend me them son. Let me plug it in because that phone that's it near right so. I'm telling you like this. It will charge. So by the time it don't charge up a little bit, you can plug it right on here. You have like couple so I'm gonna put it up here so I can charge it. I can get it charged. Alright, my son. Lend me a charger. Please and thanks. Yeah, you want a key? Okay. I'm gonna give you a key. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Yeah, the phone did have like 40 something percent battery. And now I have to plug it in and charge it. Rice and dumpling? You want dumpling? Oh God. I don't know if no flour there now. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about flour. You know dumplings, are you? No flour there. Just eat the rice. So I'm going to wash some rice and put in the pot. Yep. Right about now. So guys, big up yourself. Thank you so much for joining my live today. Lunchtime going into dinner time. Yeah. You know, say my hand stretch rice. When me there, I wash the rice. When I wash the rice, I can say a 2 pound of rice or pound and a half. Pound and a half of rice. When you look, a whole heap of rice in the pot. So 2 pound of rice, the pot would have full, right? Some people unstretch rice. Swell the rice. If I hear them say unswell rice, that's me. 1 pound of rice turn into 2 pound of rice. Or pound and a half of rice. That's my hands. Swelling the rice, guys. So guys, you can continue to say in the comment section where would you go for your vacation, your lovely vacation spot that you're dreaming of. Pat's Kitchen said Paris, and Paris is very nice. Yay! Paris is very nice. I love Paris as well. I love Vegas. One of the time I watch one something, you know, where I think it was a vlog. I may tell you, the place looked really, really nice. The hotel them, hey, everything look nice. Come like it's another world to itself. Beautiful. That's how it look. And I think this is why we're gonna like always want to go abroad, because some of the places them where you might want to go. Yeah. From there I put the rice in the pot. Now, so by the time the ackee ready, the rice done cook. Pepper sausage. Thank you so much. Okay. So Pat's kitchen, so nice. I am glad that okay. Yeah, it's nice.
Cabbage.
The cabbage in the fridge. Oh, cabbage and chicken.
Now I'm following one. You can
Here. So my daughter, a little one, I like cabbage. The only time she want the cabbage is when she get it with the KFC. That little vegetable something there, where them put with the mayonnaise. That's what she want it. That little something with the lettuce. With the lettuce. And the little cabbage. Like, mince up. So me go and cook up my little thing, and then me go deal with the chicken, put in the rice already. Boil out the salt out of the saltfish properly. Leave a little bit of the salt in it to cook up in the pot. And you know, if it's fresh, it not gonna really have no taste if it's fresh. If it's too fresh, it not gonna really have no taste. I'm not gonna put no powder seasoning in it. I have powder seasoning, but I'm not gonna put none in it. So I'm just gonna cook it up naturally. The rain, me see it go fall a while ago. So it gone. The rain nobody fall, you know. The sun is out. Nobody fall at all. The sun come out. Beautiful. So guys, today I'm going to cook some food. So I put on the pot for the chicken. Put on the pot for the chicken. Hope you're all doing well on your side. Thank you for passing through. One love from A9. Yeah. One thing I love with the old phone here, it not overeat. Yeah, that's why I use it just now, cause the 3 times back again, the other phone, As we start using it, start covering. So we just use the old phone here, the long time phone. So that is what I'm working with. I'm working with the long time phone. Alright. Almost finished doing what I'm doing here. And then after that, after I'm done, I would say all of us have potential, you know? So we have to just find whatever and sometimes you know it find you, you know, sometimes it find you. Because sometimes you don't really know, but if you not try it, you won't know. You have to try it and see how it turns out for you to know if it will work or not. Right? So on one specific night in the week, because I realize that on a weekend it not gonna work out for me because the music thing. So during the week on one specific night, probably for 1 hour or so, maybe have like a thing that I'm gonna do on the channel in the night, and then on a Friday look out for my comedy skit, Granny comedy skit. Right? So we can laugh together, laugh till we cry. We can laugh till we cry together. Yeah. I love playing that part. That's the part I love to play in the stick. And to say it's my first try, I didn't do bad at all. I would say I didn't do bad at all. Yeah. Self-praise is no recommendation, but I'm not praising myself. I'm just telling you guys, I think I didn't do bad at all. You know? Didn't do bad. Yeah. Didn't do bad at all. So right about now, I'm going to look for my Aki, take them out of the pot, and just finish that out. I'm telling you, a lot of channels are doing like cooking and stuff like that. So somebody have to come in with like, you cook something and it never turn out well, right? That sort of thing. Yeah, so for me, in the cooking thing now, as the person said, in the cooking thing, for me it would be breakfast. I love making breakfast. So the breakfast part segment would be mine for the taking. Yeah? Because I love doing that part. I love cook, yes, but to me the breakfast kinda easier. Some of the dishes you have to have like, well, you know, have to, in some cases when you're cooking, you know, have to, presentation is good, but I know everybody have it feel like can do a good presentation with the food and stuff like that. But you know, from the food cook good and everything, and you can see say yes, this was prepared okay. Then you can say alright, good try or something like so. Yeah. So the breakfast segment like I normally do early in the morning before me leave out. Whatever my kids having for breakfast, I would come and prepare and yeah. So if per se one morning I'm at home and I have like liver, green banana, can cook liver and green banana and dumpling for my breakfast because I know everybody here eat liver. So you know sometimes you have to cook like two different pots because some person not eat this, some person not eat that, and this goes on. So majority of the time, you're gonna like try to cook one something that everybody can eat. You know. Thank you guys so much for joining my live this evening. One love, one love, and Juba, I am happy to see you, Juba. I am happy to see you. Here's one laugh, you know. That's kitchen say no look like a Juba that somebody else. Really. So what I'm gonna do next, let me get the pot. I'm gonna cook up the I'm gonna cook up the saltfish with the ackee. The rice is steam. So now get that going. Season up the chicken. Guys, my phone is charged. The phone is charging. Thank you, Simeon. Thank you, Fats. Thank you, KK. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Uncle Barry. Everyone in Juba. Everyone who's guys. Thank you so much for joining. So now, so I have one cabbage. But I have a cut up, cook up as well. And then scallion here dry out.
dry right out. Them scallion ear dried out. They're dried.
Oh, I can't.
No, little bit of ackee, yeah. May I put the chicken under something differently?
Do I make it good at every time I eat?
Him not eat the way the chicken there. The chicken him not eat that. You know why?
Do I?
Only capital chicken alone you want.
And look now.
Capital chicken. Boy.
You see why you can't have that and nothing meat?
Which one?
That? Like
How do you make it? But a long time them having a for them fridge car. She just carry come recently. Yeah, look pan here pretty. Look there. One big chicken this one. A chicken is supposed to be about 4 pound or so. 4.5 pound. So a little tiny chicken when we get from, and then deer. Them not cheap. System. Oh gosh. What are not the enough for them fast, you know? Are the place where we get it and have it there. They raise them pan up just regular feeding and stuff like that. Then I leave them nothing else besides that. So we as consumer have to know. So that's why I think most people them are vegetarian. Our kind of probably at the brown.
No. I just see a salad.
Then sometimes I feel it.
I can't get so like me I would chew on lump so long hot.
See I get it check out.
I love game and listen to God. I tell you when we got something. See, I'm top got hospital, you realize?
Say it up for.
Can we tell me the same thing over and them not tell me exact what I'm to me then so I said I'm gonna do this a test that they test me now a bit.
Well, leave it to God. Like that, they know you can't go get it checked out. It's up to you. It's up to you, my dear. You're an adult now, so it's up to you what you want to do. And I say nothing because I do have to stop go. Me just stop go. Because the man said to me, say, it's either you're gonna, cause like him I say, well then, to come there all the time and just come in there for coming there sake. And he want to like check out. And so me say nothing wrong with this, so me go take out it back. And me hear so when you do that, that is a big procedure. So me if you go take out this one, nothing do me. No. So him say it's either never stop come at the finish or never take out. So me just check for myself, hide me, no bother go back. And I'll pop and burn. Me check for myself, I don't go back. Father God, now make me I say go down there. Not my call. Never, ever, ever. Silent watchers. The tunes are going great right about now. But there you are at the pot with a little scallion and something in it. They cook up my little ackee and saltfish. But the phone is charging, guys. There I pick out the bone out of the saltfish. Picking out the bones out of the saltfish. I don't know, say red herring and saltfish. Red herring and ackee nice, you know. To me, out of the red herring and the ackee, which one nicer? Is it the saltfish and the ackee or the red herring and the ackee? I think the red herring tastes nicer. Whereas when you get some yellow yam, some nice dry yellow yam, to eat it with. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah, tastes really yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. I have to try to take out all of the bone then, because the bone thing, here then. All of the phone now. I make one little sound. Alright, so I'll throw this outside. The rain still I set up, but it's not far here. The saltfish still have a little salt in it. So that's how I want it. I don't want it fresh, fresh, fresh. I want it to still have a little salt in it. So I'm going to rinse it one more time. And then I will put it in the pot. While the Wi-Fi reconnect. Hi, how are you? Thank you so much for joining. How was your day today? How was your day? Oh, it's Pat. Yeah. Pat's Kitchen say food ready yet, Abby? Oh Lord, I'm watching the pot. Oh gosh, yes, I know. Never had it with it. Nice, man. Really, really nice. Raring and ackee, but yeah, you eat that with some yellow yam. You know the pea yam there. The pea yam there, green banana and dumpling, or the barbie and them yam there. Turn up. Yeah, yes, really, really good. For real, for real. Nice with you. Red herring and ackee. Yes, really, really good. So the ackee and saltfish are go ready first, and the rice. Cause the chicken, we still have to go season up the chicken and all these things. Yep. So first, thank you for sticking and staying. Thanks to all the persons who are here still. Hey, big up yourself. Yeah. Ready now. Yeah, and the rice are steam on the fire and thing. And now garlic and garlic. Yeah. want the saltfish, prepare up with the seasoning, you know, and then afterwards we throw in the apple.
So guys, you go as a person in the comment section said about cooking, probably we need to do like a weird dish and post this video. Do a weird cook a weird dish. Like how you know some persons. I watched one video already where a person was cooking dumpling, and the dumpling was a different color. I don't know if it is blue dumpling. It was a different color dumpling. So you can try cooking some weird, cook some weird stuff and see how it turns out. Try cooking some weird dishes. Then smell the ackee and the saltfish together. So let me show you guys, and then me just put back the phone on charge. The ackee going on with itself right here. Thank you, Pats, for staying. There, that's the ackee and saltfish, and this is the rice. Yep. Then I will use my fork and stir up my rice and thing. Yep. I'll use my fork and stir up the rice. These are the Alberta rice. Alberta rice. Them say when you cook, you're not in this side of the pot. Boy, when you cook rice. So there goes the ackee. Yes. So I cover back the rice first. I want to steam out good. The ackee there, I go and steam out good. Thank you so much, Pat. Yeah. So the phone I go and charge. See the chicken here, guys. When I go I have to go look about the chicken now. The chicken no look about yet. So I just have a cut piece of it, wash it with some vinegar and something, and get it sorted out. Get it sorted out. I don't know why, so why is it? I have to set it one way so that it now. Stop, reconnect. So this is the Aki for who want Aki. So now, I should have done this. Punchstone, I wash it, right? I'm telling you. Anytime, me glad say in the morning, me by in the day, me leave and come home. So, like evening time when rain fall there, so me tell you, it's not normal. Pure water you walk in. Tell me say anytime rainy season come up again, me I forget one water. So me I walk through the dirty water, sorry there. And then I pass with the music, turn up. Oh boy. It's like nowadays them not have to hear other vehicle or two, they wanna come. You know look so. Cause the way them a bounce the music. They not have to hear one next vehicle come on the front. Yeah, I don't know why them do that. If them deaf, don't. It's like them a play music to everybody. Sorry guys about the noise. I try my rub off my Dutch trip. Now look for Dutch trip at something. I put my chicken in it. Yeah, man, I like that when you do. I'm gonna put them in the fire. Don't step over her, you know. Tell her to get up. Get up, Lucy. I mean, I want to enjoy yourself, you know. We step over her. Silent Watchers, how are you? God's Kitchen, thank you so much for staying. So Carly said one something finished cook already, so I just my chicken alone leave now. My chicken alone leave. Yeah. Only my chicken. Yeah, so me no want this chicken alone. So try and cut it. So that chicken here guys, so my mother-in-law the care come give me. Them raised chicken. Down of them house, them raised chicken. So whenever them deal with chicken, me get one chicken. So in December me get one chicken, and one day she come up here me get one next chicken again. Yeah. So she carry chicken from the water. So I have a piece of it right about now. And put up the next piece. So this is what we call backyard chicken. And normally them say when you raise a chicken yourself in a coop at home, they call it backyard. Oh, the chicken big so till. Yay! I bake, I should have bake this year. I want big chicken. Like she take out the biggest one. Careful and give me.
I leg that I go saying when I take off the leg part. I cook one of the leg now. Tell them one of the leg. Yeah. One leg alone. One of the leg alone may I cook. One leg, one wing, one hip. But that's a one side. One side of the chicken. There they know. One thing doing one time then some here have ice in it, I tell you. It's not easy to cut up, so really have ice. Alright, so the ackee finish. The rice still a finished steam and thing. Alright, so now try to salt out this. I have one mud was in here. I go and clap her, you see? I want to see how which part she go. One mud was. Me hear her. I sing. Some what? Fish? Fish, you say? You eat fish? Where I make? Me I forgot listen good for here. Oh, you mean fish farm? Okay. Oh yeah, cause they used to raise fish one at a time. Down at the bottom where we do the coal skill, they used to have a fish pond down there. In granduncle did have a fish pond down there, down the bottom. They used to get the water from down at the gully to sustain the pond. You know, when you get some nice fish out of it, you know. Some nice fish come out of that pond. Me used to love see when them a draw the fish them. Some big one. Especially when them a draw like the last. So when them a draw the last set of fish, oh gosh. Some big fish will come out of it. For real. If we could get it back up and running for real, we get it back up and running. If you not even big so, probably concrete one structure and use it. For real, some fish. They sell. The red fish then, and the pan fish. Can concrete one structure and use it. Raise them and you know when time come for sell them, you just dip up out of that same thing and just sell to people. Sell fish. On a Sunday or so, on a weekend, people come in and come buy fish. And the chicken, me there fight, you know, people. Me there fight the chicken. For real. The chicken may fight to cut. It a cut it up and make it off this side already. Get off one leg. Now we cut off no whole hip because it's a big chicken. So me I try cut off the hip. I cut off one leg already. Try cut off the hip. And then maybe for me look at that, me make sure you get piece of the breast because that's the part that she want to eat. The breast. And she don't want no cabbage. So when I go down to gravy, Reach gravy stage, me take out fear one day, me put the cabbage in there. Cause she don't want no cabbage. Thank you so much. I forgot to put on the glasses to see the comment section, guys. Yeah, so me get a piece of the hip, guys. See the hip big? One big piece of it that. Yeah. One big chicken, I can say one big chicken. I should have baked this one, but you know, we use it and cook today. I have to cook it today. Cook piece of it today. So me go cook piece of it today. Alright, so me cut off piece of the breast part and then me just put up the rest in the fridge. So piece of the breast part I cut off, you know. Yeah. Piece of breast. So that's supposed to be on door. I put back the rest in the fridge. I'm gonna put back the rest in the fridge. And the cabbage. Yeah. So now, and that's dinner. I can say yes, dinner is served. Dinner is served. Vinegar and all these things. Come into the comment section, guys. Come into the comment section. Let's see where the glass is there. Yeah, so. Hi, Chana. How are you? Thank you for joining. Thank you for the art emojis. Ah, Uncle Barry say, oh, Pat's Kitchen, blessing sis. Yeah. So now, I'm going to season up a piece of meat and get it going. Thank you so much, guys. Me and I will be coming over as I'm done. Uncle Barry, your visit is long overdue on my side, but I'll be coming over today. I'm coming over to visit. Yeah. As me come in, guys, me have to start cook and all these things, you know. It's a woman's job. That they normally say is a woman's job. Oh my God. I would say it's anybody's job at the end of the day. Anybody can cook, whether the man or the woman. It doesn't really matter who cooks at any point in time. Yeah, so my chicken. is here now. Here goat them. The goat them every minute them born. I say them hungry. Alright. So I have like some jerk seasoning, all purpose. So that's what I'm putting on the chicken now. Guys, we don't have everything today to put on it. I'm going to use them out, as you say, and I'm going to cook, and it's going to taste good just the same. I have ketchup, braised ketchup as well. So, my chicken I got taste good same there. Yeah? I got taste good. Thank you guys for visiting as well. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. As you can hear one book in the background. The Uncle God said them not turn it up, that's all. Yeah? Me don't know. I am living close to like pan the left, pan the right, go all the way up the road, down the road. It's just pure bars. Bars on top of bars. So whenever I don't go live, or sometimes when I do go live and I mute the mic, it's because the noise is in the background. Sometimes I try to unmute and like me I talk loud. I said there is music playing in the background. So I can't unmute the mic. You know, one of the time I try to unmute and me get copyright. So you know me that we take down the live and so one long time. When we used to do live outside, like 6 o'clock hours, yeah. I think it was a Friday or it was a Saturday. Then that play some music out there, man, and me I tell you. Me unmute until when me look me get in a trouble. So yeah. I have my chicken ready now. Let's see if we can. Let's see if anybody wants any friendly goat to buy. Okay. Friendly goat. My goat them eat a lot. So they have to like move the grass field, bring home, so they can feed them. I hear them a ball there again already. I don't know what they must say now. They must say they're hungry. So it's like they want the rest of grass to eat, and then now it would have to look more grass for them, but it never look no more. You know. But I don't know when them eat too much grass, them who yesterday are gone, them not eat everything. Them leave some of it on the ground, and them a cry. Probably need to buy some corn. And in the evening, you can give them the corn. Give them some corn in the evening. Just throw it on the ground. Prep and throw it on the concrete and give them. Let them eat it. In the evening hours. So that them no ball, so like how them a ball now. You understand? Girl in the ackee tree. The girl in eat out the ackee. So yes, guys, my chicken is ready. So I just wait for the oil to hot. So you see now, the dog them running down. I'm waiting on the oil to hot. And then this season I have like pepper seed in there. Let's see where it's up on the bag. I think this is all purpose. all-purpose seasoning. Yeah, all-purpose seasoning. You know them where them sell them wrap out and sell. See it there? Okay, so all-purpose seasoning. That one here. It have the pepper seed in there. It have the pimento seed and them something there in it. So my chicken me have a me not really have no name there. We put on the chicken like that. But me put me it there. The chicken this now. So when the pot hot, we just gonna drop them in when the pot hot. You know, normally use my hand to rub in the seasoning. But I use my hand before already, but you know, I end up with some more seasoning on it. So eventually, it's how the leg big, guys. Oh Lord, it's a big chicken leg and the hip. So the hip, the breast, the wing. These are the breasts, yeah, and the wing. So my eye are hot right there, so we'll get the chicken leg. Me and you go get the hip. Your sister normally get the hip, the leg. Your big sister normally get that. Well, if you want the leg, you can get the leg. Me and her will take the hip. Not you? Change up some of the time. What you want to know? Hey, you don't want the eyes to flash up funny, man. So, how you going to learn to cook? You need one what? One flash frying pan. So, I have one of that, but it will take a whole for eyes. I like to use this one because you don't have to use no whole for eyes when you are frying anything. Right? So this is the ackee, guys. This is the ackee. I don't know what for ackee, but yeah, ackee and saltfish. So that's finished already. And the rice. The rice finished already. But I know me just left it and it is continue to go and simmer while the chicken is finished. So, yeah, so when that finished now, we can say alright. Thank you so much, guys, for coming over. I appreciate you all here. Uncle Barry and everyone else. Take care, big up yourself, everyone in the comment section, guys. So, on a Saturday, what I normally do, I open the link so that maybe if persons want to come up and go live with A and I, or if you want me to come over on your side to go live with you as well, I will do so. Just let me know. Just let me know. Just let me know. From Canadian, I have a whole heap of chicken spoon to eat. I think what I eat chicken spoon. I'm going to eat everything. Alright. So what I'm gonna do now, in the meantime, I'm gonna go and wash my cabbage and things like that. And guys, I will still play your playlist if you want me to play your playlist. I will still play your playlist for you. I will still play your playlist if you want to play it. To put up your watch hours. Watch hours. Watch hours. Watch hours. Watch hours. Alright, so I'm gonna get this cabbage. I'm gonna deal with this cabbage right now. Them say in some places cabbage gone down. I told them my pass today I'm here. The guy, how much he must say? He said $300 a pound. This something on it. I mean, I hear when I said, I remember when I said good. I remember good. When I say I for $300 a pound. But the things them take time a drop now, cause nobody now really buy them. Cause them too expensive. So them take time a drop them now. Now hold up my price again for that. What I would want to do one of the day, I go down in the country, right? I would like test out for the market to see how if things are the same price like when you buy it at town, or is it cheaper or is it dearer, or you know at the same price on a wide scale, you know, that sort of thing. I guess maybe for persons who plant their own stuff, them normally would have sell it kind of a little bit cheaper than persons who buy it and go back and sell it. Yeah. Hi Chana. Thank you so much. Thank you for the art emojis. May I fry my chicken now and may I cut up my cabbage. So one set of food done already. So I just deal with the cabbage, put it down until my meat cook and reach gravy stage. So when it reach gravy stage, now I put the cabbage on top, make it steam. Now the gravy. Yeah. So that's all I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna show you guys how me cut up my cabbage. So I'm gonna have somebody to hold the phone to me. You know me have a stick where I can use. You know what, I'm not use a stick. I have one stick where I can use. You know, some people like when time then cabbage cut fine, and some people like when it cut up big. I like when them thread the cabbage. Like when you make vegetable, I like see it look nice. Cabbage and carrot, cucumber, and lettuce. Tastes nice, you know. All of them combined. Tastes really, really nice. I know as children coming up, we never used to like eat vegetable when we small coming up. But when we get big now, it's like it's about different here. Like it's a different taste to us when we get big now. Let me show you guys the cabbage. Alright, so that's the cabbage. You know, we cut it up there. Some of them probably finer than some, but some of them, yeah, as it's steam. It's when it's steam, if you ever cut up this fine, it's smaller it would have last. Cause you know, sometimes some persons half steam it because they want it crunchy, while some people want it steam good, as in steam till it's soft. I like it when it's crunchy, but I know everybody like it that way, you know. So that is it, the cabbage. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna wash it again and just leave it until I'm ready to put it in the pot. So now I go in the pot until when my chicken, call it my chicken done cook. I'm gonna put it in the pot, make it simmer with the gravy. Then we turn off the stove. But you know, cabbage not hard to steam. It don't take long to steam. So when the chicken cook and the gravy, then let's get it out. So I have all that cold grass to remove outside, around the trees, around the trees. Thank you so much guys for joining my life. So as soon as the food done, finish, I'm going to show you guys the chicken when it's done cooked and the cabbage in the pot, how it looks together. How it looks together. Yeah. So there's stick and stay with A and R. If you can stay that long, yeah, stick and stay. Thank you, Juba, so much for joining my live, yeah? Guys, I haven't seen Juba in a while. I'm over here, you know, but me I say over. Juba. You know, some of us can't get to go live because of the internet situation and the light. So, you know, me happy to see you come back and get it the boat, you know. Yeah. Inside the Wi-Fi. If I will get back light, the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi. So dinner will soon be served, yes? Dinner will soon be served. Yeah. My throat is dry. This is so water. Yeah. I know. My chicken is on the way. A grown up. You know most persons don't like to use browning on their chicken when they are cooking. Them want it to fry naturally and catch the color in the pot. So that's what I'm doing. Frying it and putting the color in the pot. So after that set finish fry, I put in the next set, then you finish. Then I will pour some water on it because I don't really have no seasoning in it like that. You don't really have no seasoning in there like that. I have garlic, but I have no onion and so. So only the all-purpose alone. I have thyme. So now I put the thyme in there. Something. Of thyme. So I'm going to put that in there as well. Yeah, so cook on this wood now. Eyes popping. Water, not to get in the pot. So the meat are fried. So after that finished, I'm going to put a little water on it. And that is it. Cabbage there, so. So when the chicken finish cooking, I have to take out now. Well, we can take it out without so I'm going to steam it in the pot. So she can get the cabbage juice in the gravy. Why? She don't want to eat the cabbage, so I'm going to eat that way then. She still have to get it seasoned, but I'm not the gravy. So she don't want to eat the cabbage. Never see nothing like this yet. She don't want to eat the cabbage. And when she get the KFC with the cabbage, you know the little dish there where you get the cabbage or something with the mayonnaise, she eat that. And when you steam the cabbage and there, she don't want it. She don't like the cabbage that way there. Alright, so after that is finished. Yeah, I'm almost finished cooking. Oh my god. I'm almost done. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. That's what you try to the puppy, yeah? So don't you see the food here? Come, puppy. You see my hair, okay? Come, puppy. You're getting so very quickly, yeah? What's that? The puppy jump and catch it. The brown and white one. Jump and catch the bone. One chicken leg, bone. So little girl try for a spoon. So me, you know what, show it figure the puppy. And the brown and white one jump in the middle and catch it. Lord Jesus, I'm telling you, that is weird. Don't you mind if this one hurt yourself? So girl soon done cooking now. Thank God. And all these things. Chicken almost done cook. Okay. Okay. So may I take a long for. It's like me I flip this up and then me nah, it's like me touch it 2 times. So through that, that take a while to turn. Yeah. So that's Lucy and her baby. So the little tiny black puppy I get big. Oh my God. She get big. She almost big as her mother already. Almost. Yeah. Almost big as her mother. Almost. Yep. Goat and everybody do the step like that. Now carry your queen off them still them lie down there and everything and that's how we get to stay that way there. So guys, I'm gonna look on my meat. Don't want to end up eating something that burned up. After my friends are putting the chicken on the package. Alright. So that is it. It's coming on just fine. Okay. Someone said, "Oh, I want stew. I want chicken and rice." Oh my! I want chicken and rice. You know, that little voice just catch me. You know, I want chicken and rice. Auntie, I want chicken and rice. Chicken and rice. Come on, boy. You like the chicken and rice? The chicken and rice nice for you. Whether it is brown stew chicken with whether baked beans or butter bean, the butter bean and the white rice nice.
But the baked bean and chicken nice with dumpling. Yeah. So my bones them music song. Yeah. So that's the last set of meat when you put now. You go and then you go put some water on it to cook it down. And after that, going down to gravy, you put in the cabbage in there, let it finish, and then voila, dinner is served. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so Auntie soon done cook the chicken and rice. Mom, put it out there for the tea. Yes, you can find one next stop to the up there. So that's a gonna make one cup of tea or half cup. To the bowl down. Just a little tiny Thank you so much, guys. Chana, 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 chana. Thank you so much. Alright. Now we have a cup of tea and something. One cup of tea, or even a half cup of tea. Herbs and spices and all these things. So this is gonna cook. My garlic is in there and all these things. Let it cook. And then after after it finish cooking, then after that I can put in my cabbage. Where carry that come there so we do now? Take it up. Oh my god. Why you put it there? Take it up. We're going with the chicken. Take it up. Lucy, take it up. Take it up. Take it up. You said them dog really sense of Lucy. You carry chicken from right one step, come put it down. Don't bother with them. One of the time when Lucy was small, like her puppy, Lucy used to go and take up the egg then anywhere the fowl lay the egg. Hey, stop it! Stop! Hey! Stop it fighting! Or the chicken never fight for no one. I'll fight for chicken. Oh boy. Anytime Lucy find where the fowl and lay the egg, she always take up one egg, come with it in her mouth. Come with the egg in her mouth, yeah. So when she come with the egg in her mouth, we say, put it down, put it down. The egg already crack. Because you know our teeth catch it. And the egg there for her egg, because we can't go eat that egg there. I mean, she carry the egg come give, but the egg crack. Because she have it in her mouth. So the egg there for her egg. But she know normally like you make the dog play. You know that game where them play go fetch. So she fetch an egg and carry the egg come. You know it's only because they cannot talk. So she come and she stand up with the egg and she looking at me. I say, what is in your mouth? She have the egg in her mouth. Then you know she put it down on the ground. So the puppy that now. She catch the chicken and she come and she bring the chicken right on the step here, so come put it down. I'm telling you. I know me just give them something to eat, you know, me don't know what she get before the chicken. Our chicken, you know. The chicken them can't stay in the yard, so the dog them. Them there are other people. Some common fowl we have. Enough of them used to sleep down at the mango tree. But it's like them a go then now go catch them so they move again and gone somewhere else. Sometimes you see like one fowl over here or so. And by the time you look the dog, them run them down and gone. So them they like next door, way across over so. Way back down the side down so. And so. So sometimes you will like go down at the bush like down where we have the coal skill. You go deep down in the bush, then you will see like some fall down there in the bush next door. Yeah. Because they're not stay too close because of the dog. You know? You pick up the pole and gone. One little chicken, that chicken they look like one little cock. So you know, time to come. You know, normally we have nice rooster and them thing there. The one them with the long spout and the long tail and thing. Reddish, the red cock them. Oh boy. They're mixing out game fowl, them, some of them are game fowl, them mix. Mm-hmm. You know, how do we do that? But they know this place. I don't know what we're gonna do with them because you know I guess hunting is a part of what they do for survival. Them have to hunt and them have to eat. So I think they love the hunting part of it. Mostly like they chase the chickens around and stuff like that. Them around. Chasing the chickens around. Silent watchers, how are you doing? Chasing the chickens around. So I am still cooking. Yeah, I'm still cooking, guys. Still cooking. My chicken is cooking. Yeah. So as soon as it finish cook, then I'll say I have like maybe an half an hour near to an hour. Somewhere there to cook my chicken and then steam the cabbage on top. So may I test out the tea. I want some to drink for myself as well. The tea nice when you make it, you know, it not have no taste. Well, mother say it would have want taste like it have a slight taste like the fever grass. Like the fever grass, yeah. So I'm gonna give some of that. This morning I never really drink no tea like that. I make some cloves, but by the time if you drink the tea, it get cool. So maybe just turn it on my head and drink it same. So we never really drink no tea like that this morning. So now I cook, finish cooking, and then alright, set a boil. What I'm gonna do now, maybe just turn off the stove and make it draw. Make it draw a little in the water. Make it draw a little. That's the tea bush. Yeah? Draw a little. And that will be it. So silent watchers, thank you for joining. Persons in the comment section, Shanna, thank you so much for coming over. Simone, KK, Juba, Uncle Barry, Pat's Kitchen, and everyone else. Yeah, the person that said they wanted chicken and rice. Auntie, I want chicken and rice. Yeah. And the other person, I think the name is Bob. Thank you so much for joining as well. Yes, Bob. Yeah. And one day I'll be coming to Hanover. Yeah, hopefully.
going to Anova. You know, sometimes you have to have like a drive to carry you around and all these things. But you know, now that they have the JOTC buses going all over, then I can also take the JOTC bus and go there and then come back to Kingston on one of them as well.
Yep.
Going to Anova. Now I'm going to be one of the vehicle. Montego on the front. Check out the planes coming in right down on the strip. Right down on the strip. So we're still cooking. Still cooking, guys. Still cooking. Now we finish cook the chicken first and then we can show you guys how it turn out. One thing I love with the chicken here, the chicken have a lot of, it is very fleshy, I would say. It's a big chicken maybe. A chicken will probably weigh over maybe 3.5 pounds or 4 pounds. It's a big chicken. Yep. Alright. So now, thank you Simone TV for coming over, yeah? I appreciate you guys so much. Anytime the chicken done, and you put in the cabbage and something, like it's steam a little bit, and then you turn off the steam. Then I'll show you guys, you know, there is the ending part of the live, that would be, and then, sorry about the knife, now I'll show it on top. Yeah? You go to eat the box? You mean say I lick out the box? You can't eat the box. And the dog eat the food outside. So the food didn't smell from the box. And just a little malicious, you know, go eat the box. Well, thank God we reached home. And I am almost finished cooking. I know me need one bottle of water. I need a bottle of water. I'm drinking water. So the blue bottle empty. See if I get one bottle. See if I buy. I'm drinking water and the books. Yeah. The rain looks like it won't fall again. See set up again?
The Ivy. No, anything. Money.
Punish down side a bit.
More.
I mean, bag walk. Bag walk. Bag walk, them get rain often. Bag walk porridge. Miss Carla, appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Chana. Thank you guys so much. After the chicken finish, then I finish. Cause my rice cook already. The ackee and saltfish finish. So just the chicken. The chicken a cook. So when it finish now, that is it. That is it. Still here. Thank you so much, Jana. Thank you. Uncle Barry and everyone else. Guys. Rain looks like it won't fall. The rain looks like it wants to fall. It wants to fall. So my chicken is cooking. Oh Lord. Yes. Anytime it go down, anytime it goes down. Oh, let me get the tea for my daughter. The tea. Alright guys. You want the tea? Make sure you drink it. So this girl here, so rinse up here. The kitchen. Seems like we're gonna get some rain. Some rain, some rain. Let me let you guys see how it looks. So I'm boiling tea now. So let me let you guys see how the tea that I'm talking about looks on the pot. So that is it. That's the tea. Yeah. That's the tea. So I'm going to just pour some in the cup and mix. And that's that. So my phone is charging. And soon, it look like we're going to get rain too, man. The time are dark up, so. Alright, so I'm going to give her just a little. Put a little bit of sugar in here. Yes, I did give it. Ask the puppy what you have out there.
What?
A chicken.
Alcohol?
You have a little chicken out there. Don't go there if the rain are drizzling you.
It's not fun. Let me move.
Yeah. So,
What?
tell my, you're not, well, I am still on the line. So, you
Oh,
can
and
say,
this song.
good evening to my ANIs. Good evening. It's good evening. Good evening. My daughter is saying good evening, guys. Good afternoon. She's saying good evening. Why are you whistling?
We're gonna get the food.
I kick off the toe. Oh, yeah, the boat.
Food.
Yes, guys. So I make a little tea for myself. And the chicken soon finish cook. So we're still here. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for staying. I finished cook the chicken and then the phone is still charging. Finish cooking the chicken and then I'm gonna put the cabbage in there to simmer a little bit, then turn off the stove.
The cabbage in where?
In the chicken. You don't want any cabbage in the chicken?
No.
Tastes good.
Okay, I'm showing my before. You put it in the
Yeah, I'm gonna take out yours before I put it in the chicken. Yeah.
Make sure there's no Akis in there.
You know what?
Make sure there's no Akis in there.
No, the ackee cook up different. The ackee there. So why would I put ackee with the cabbage and the chicken?
Because you love word combinations.
I try that one day, one day. She said because I love weird combinations. Oh my god.
Alright, music.
Where?
Don't hear it.
Oh, they might turn on the music now over the bar. Guys, it come like them at test out the sound now, the music I turn on. Thank you so much for joining, guys. I'll be still here, until the chicken finish. Thank you so much, guys. So I'm gonna mute the mic because of the music.
I now hear the music again because the rain start fall. The rain start fall. Yeah, bye Shana. Thank you so much for joining me. Yeah, the rain. Just wanted you to see the rain is falling. The rain is falling. Watch Lucy sit down out the door in the rain.
How much you think I should buy?
She love them time here, you know, when the rain fall. Thank you so much, Shana. Them turn on the sun, but when rain start fall now, I not hear it. Cause the zinc, yeah, the rain a beat down from the zinc. So I not hear it. Cause it not really turn up loud, like echo. Yeah. So the rain is falling. My chicken is almost finished cooking. But you see, lie down in the rain. She love lie down in the rain, you know. She like when the rain fall. Cause when the sun hot, she hot. So them like when the rain fall, they just lie down nice. Take in the cool weather. Hear them a boop, they know. Them all fi start up like them a tune up the sound. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Good night, good night, good night. Guys, through the music, some of the time them turn it up, so through that. Thank you so much for joining, yeah? Channel, thank you so much for joining as well. Yes. Yeah. So Shanna said need to sleep. Okay, Shanna, it's very late where you are. Yes. Yes. It's very late where you are. Thank you guys so much for joining, yeah? So when me mute the mic, because I didn't turn it up. So good night, Chana. Good night, good night, good night, guys. Thank you so much for joining, yeah? Hi, Classic. Thank you for joining. Music playing in the background. That's why I mute the mic. Thank you for joining, guys. Silent watchers, big up yourself. But there you're a finished cook. They're playing music next door. So that's why I mute the mic, guys. Thank you so much for joining. You know, sticking and staying until me finish cook. Big up yourself, Classic. Thank you for joining. Later on,